Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to the Canning Nana. As you guys can see, I am back home, back to my ocean. You can see it's a really clear day and the islands are out there. So I am just coming here and enjoying this. So yesterday in Oregon when I left, it was 36 degrees. And today here in Ventura, it is 84. So, such a change, but I thought I would take you guys down here real quick and just show you a bit of my beach and let you know that we are going to have lots of videos next week, this week coming, and also a live, and to just catch you guys up with some stuff, and to let you also know that my Etsy store is back up, and I've got some of my lids and rings in there. Everything that I still have at hand. I have not gone looking yet, obviously, because I just got back. So if you go to my Etsy store, it's Jack and Diane Designs, Jack N, the letter N, Diane Designs, and the link will be in the description box. You guys can get whatever you need. If anybody still needs lids and rings, and I'm going to be uploading a lot more stuff in there pretty soon. Going to be doing a lot more stuff. And just enjoying being back home. I had an absolutely amazing time with my sister in Oregon and my nieces and my little twin nieces. We just had a blast. But I did miss my weather, even though I really enjoyed the cold weather there. It was really nice. But I do miss my weather here. And this is not normal weather for November, you guys. It's at all. This is just not normal weather. Yesterday we went down to Universal Studios after my husband picked me up from the airport. And it was 91 degrees down there. So, yeah, crazy weather, just crazy. But you guys can see how beautiful it is, right? It is about 3 o'clock in the afternoon here. And the mountains are so clear. And like I said, the islands out there are really clear. It is just gorgeous. So that's an old power plant. Not really pretty, but you can see how pretty it is. Clear, there's not a cloud in the sky. It's just gorgeous. So, the word of the day today is going to be ocean. So you need to like the video, subscribe so that you are eligible to win my giveaways, and comment below the word of the day in the comment section. And please share my video, help get the word out there. And also, if you know of anybody else who is looking for lids or rings or anything, canning debubblers are also in my Etsy store. Just let them know to go to my Etsy store. And like I said, it is back up and running. And I will see you guys this week. Lots coming up. Have a great weekend, you guys.